Hello everyone, I'm OMMICANG and you're at OMMICANGS. Alright, so you're welcome to today's session, and in this session I'll be showing you how to make arbitrage or make money online, using moogold.com as an arbitrage means. Alright, so I won't be taking much of your time. Let's get on right to it. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Google, whichever browser you're using. You head over to Google. Alright, so when you're on Google, you want to search for moogold.com. This right here is how it would look like. Then you want to tap enter. So once you enter, this is how it's going to look like. Alright, this is how moogold will look like. So you want to tap on menu here. You want to tap on menu. So when you tap on menu, this would come up. You want to scroll up, and then you want to tap on sorry, not about us here. You want to tap on accounts. Alright, you want to tap on accounts. So you tap on account there, and this would come up. So now you have to log in. Alright, but you don't have a login, so what you want to do is to register. Alright, so you want to register. You would have to register. You would put in your email address and the password that you're going to be using. So I'm going to go about there to do this right now. Right, so I'll just go in and put in my email address. For the sake of this video, I'll be using this email address. I'm going to have to cover that up, and I'll put in a password here. So I'm doing that just about now. Okay, so ensure that your password meets the criteria for signing up. All right, it must be strong. All right, so it has to be strong like this here. So that's just that. Then you want to tap on register. Once you've done that, it's as simple as that. So once you tap on register, you will get an email. All right, you will definitely get an email. So we've tapped on register, and that should take us out there now. Get that? You see, it has nothing showed. So I want to save that for myself. So you see it just like this, but you have to go and activate your account. They won't tell you, but you have to. All right, so once you just get this point, you should know that you have to activate your account. All right, so what you do is to let me bring this go. What you do is to head over straight up, all right, to your Gmail. Go into your Gmail, and once you're in your Gmail, I'm in my Gmail right now. Let me switch to the Gmail I used for the sake of this session. All right, let me switch to that Gmail. So you want to go over to your Gmail, all right, and you would see it there. So once you're in your Gmail, you would not see this message in your primary mail. All right, it would be in your spam. It would be in your spam. So you want to open up your spam email, and you want to go and get the activation message there. So you can see it here. This is the activation message. You see it. Please activate your account. All right, so this is what you want to do. So what you want to do now is you want to tap on it. All right, once you tap on that message, you would get the link. Please, I'm going to tell you this: never click a link from your email, no matter how well you trust the site. All right, so don't click it. We're not saying moogold is not good, no, or that it's scam. No, it is not. It's a very good arbitrage platform, but this is just the general a security tip. Never click a link direct from your email. So just copy the link. All right, once you copy it, then head over back to your Chrome browser, go back into Chrome there, and then paste it in that search tab at the top. All right, to verify, to activate your account. If you don't do this, you will not be able to log in into your account. All right, so please take note of that. You have to be able to do this right now. Right, I will check if there's a referral kind of code for this, and if there is, please kindly you can use my referral code, but I'm not too certain about that. But if there is, you please use my referral code. And now you see that my account has been activated here. You can see that success message there. So that was just how it is. So now you'll notice that if I tap on account details, I now have an account. All right, I have all this account right here. Right, so what you want to do next is to tap on that account details. All right, so tap on the account details, and you need to put your name and your details into this account. All right, you just scroll up, all right. So this is the display name. Let me change that. Let me just change that. So I'll be, for the sake of this, I'll be using my display name to be this. And put your first name. You want to put your first name here. I'll just go on to put my first name here. I'll just go on to put my first name there, and then I'll go on to put my last name there. All right, and then once you do all that, you just want to come up, and then you want to tap on this save changes that is here. Right, you want to tap on save changes that is here. Okay, so you want to tap on save changes, but I'm not going to put that for now because this is just a dummy account. All right, now the next thing you want to do is to tap on verify. All right, you want to tap on verify. All right, that's the next thing you want to do. After you've inputted your account details, you want to tap on this verify. All right, you want to tap on this verify. So to verify this account, it is very important before you do anything, verify, because it's going to be a mobile number verification. If you don't, you will not be able to purchase the moogold card. All right, so you tap on verify and it will take you to this page where you have to input your number. So just scroll up, you will see there, notice it, this is it right here. It says for WhatsApp verification, please send, but don't do this is not what you're doing. All right, so this is just what you want to do. Change this country, just change this country. All right, change it to Nigeria. All right, just do NG. All right, Nigeria, rather do Nigeria. All right, so once you do Nigeria, tap on it. All right, then you want to put your mobile number. So I'll go on to put my mobile number here. Please ensure it is the WhatsApp line, because that's the only place you're gonna get it. Just like Fin.do, they only send WhatsApp code as verification. So I'm gonna put my number there. I've inputted my number there right now. Then you want to tap on this I am not a robot recaptcha here. So let it roll. Then tap on send verification. All right, so they will send you a code on that place right now. I'm going to receive a code for the but once you receive the code, if you don't receive a code, just resend it again after the timer ends. All right, so we're just waiting to receive a code right now. Please, somehow they didn't send me the code over a second line. I don't know why, but once you get the code, input it here. Then you want to tap on verify. All right, you tap on verify and it's as easy as that. All right, just tap on verify here. Tap on this verify right here and it's as easy as that. Okay, just tap on this verify and it's as easy as that. So I'm going to sign in into my own account. Okay, I'm going to sign into my account to show you how it's going to look like. All right, so that's what I want to do right now. All right, so I just want to sign in into my account. So I have to log out of this account and sign into my own main account, so that will show you what you want to do next. All right, once you like get into there. So let me log out from this account, this demo account here, and sign into my own main account. All right, that's what I want to do right now. So I'll be logging in right now into my account, and that's it. I'm logged in. All right, so once I log in, this is how the page is going to come up. All right, so once you get to this your account right now, what you want to do now is to tap on this search button, this search here, this search icon at the base. You understand? This search icon at the base here, that's what you want to tap on. All right, so once you tap on this search icon at the base, once you are logged into your account, remember you must have verified your phone number. If you don't verify your phone number, please do not do this. You have to verify your phone number and you have to put in your details. All right, so once you tap on the search icon there, all right, you want to then tap on it and then search for moogold. Moogold is what you want to search for, right? Moogold, like this. Then you want to tap on search. All right, so once you tap on moogold, like this, all right, then you hit your search button, it will bring out the moogold card for you. Now the one you are interested in right now is the, let me show you, the one you are interested in right now is the moogold USD. All right, no, not this one, not this Indian rupee. The one you're interested in is the moogold USD. All right, so let's go back. This is the moogold USD gift card. All right, so tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to take you to this page. All right, this page. Now you have to pay attention to this. Please pay attention. You want to tap on 10 if you are using UBA MC or you are using GT Bank. All right, you want to buy 15 USD of this moogold gift card. All right, so look at it very well. Tap on 10 USD, then scroll up, tap on add to cart. You would see the message that has been successfully added to cart. All right, can you see that has been updated to your cart? Then go back again, don't go, like, scroll up and then tap on 5, then add to cart. You will see that it will be successfully added to your cart again. Now once you have done these two, for UBA MasterCard or GTB MasterCard, this is what you want to do. Then once you have gotten it this way, then you now want to tap on this cart icon. All right, that's the next thing you want to do. Tap on this cart icon. You see that you now have 2 items in your cart already, so just tap on the cart icon. All right, once you tap on the cart icon, it will bring you to your cart icon there, and then you want to scroll up and you want to proceed to checkout. All right, you want to proceed to checkout. So once you proceed to checkout, all right, you proceed to checkout, Once you proceed to checkout, you now have to put your name here. All right, you have to put your name, your first name, your last name. But remember, you have done that before when registering. As soon as you registered, rather, that was the first thing I showed you how to do. So if you've not done that before, this is the time for you to do that. You have to do it now. All right, then in additional information, you can leave it empty, leave the additional information empty. You don't need that. Then you want to scroll up and then tap on use a new card. Oh, sorry, not what I just tapped on now. All right, what you want to tap on is on credit debit card. All right, you want to use a new card, tap on use a new card, and in here you just have to fill in your card details. All right, so once you fill in your card details, fill in your expiry date, fill in your CVV, then put the name of the card. Now let me break this down for you guys. Yeah, you can only use 2 cards on moogold. Yes, you can use third party, but ensure that when you are using the name, put the name of the third party card here. All right, you can use, but it can only be 2 cards to 1 moogold account. You cannot use more than 2 cards on 1 moogold account. So please take notice of that. You should want to take notice of this, please. 2 cards to 1 moogold account. So once you've done that, you've used 2 cards, leave that moogold account, go and open another moogold account with another WhatsApp enabled number. All right, get your verification code and continue the process. All right, so once you do that, you want to use it. All right, so once you do this, all right, you now want to just tap on this I have read and agreed to the website, and then you tap on place order. All right, so once you place order, you just get the usual page to like input your OTP and the rest. And once you do that, you would see the message. If it works for you, you will see the message that the order has been completed. All right, and then you would receive order. And when you receive order, you want to tap on what is it called, to reveal order. All right, so next, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is just tap on menu again. All right, then once you're on menu, okay, not here, sorry, you have to tap on home. Tap on this home icon again. Sorry, tap on home, this avatar icon here, that's home. You want to tap on it, this, or you can just tap on the moogold itself. All right, the moogold icon. So once you tap on that, then you can now tap on menu. All right, and you're going to see this page. All right, so you want to tap on, you would see it here on your license key. All right, you see it here on your license key. You want to tap on your license key. So once you tap on your license key, you scroll up, you would see it here, a serial key. Yeah, can you see it? This is what you're interested in, this serial key. All right, so you just tap on view here. All right, so if it works for you, you would have to like that, then you can just tap on view, and once you tap on view, it is going to open it up for you. All right, so it would open this up for you. You see it here, then you have to tap on view again. You have to tap on view again. All right, you have to tap on view. You have to tap on view again. So once you tap on view, you would see it here. You see that I already have my own moogold. I bought moogold of 5 USD. I used the GT card here, and I bought moogold of 10 USD. Right now, once you have this code, this gift card code, all you need to do is just look for people that buy moogold. All right, I personally buy moogold, so if you want to sell your moogold gift card, just come to me. I will buy your moogold gift card at a very good rate. You make for GTB and UBA, you make 2,500 naira on it instant. No, we do not, there's no rip-off zone here. Right, that's legit. And for Zenith, you make what's it called, 3,000 naira instant. All right, 3,000 naira instant. But if you want us to use escrow, I only use money making steps as escrow. Please take note of that. All right, so aside from that, now I told you for UBA MC and GTB MC you want to use $15. All right, that's the amount you want to buy. For Zenith, you want to buy $25 of moogold. All right, of moogold gift card. So how do you sell to me? All right, so you just copy from this part of this code that has MG10. All right, from the MG, that's moogold, that's the only thing I need. That's the only thing you need to copy to me. You don't need to use this because I've already redeemed. I've redeemed it, I've used it, I've sold it also. I can leave it open for you. But if you still want to give it a shot, please do feel free to give it a shot. But I don't think it will work for you. But if it works for you, hey, kudos to you. I'm happy for you, man. So this is the only thing I need. All right, so you just copy this and you send it to us, and we buy it from you at an affordable rate. All right, if you want to try to redeem it yourself, let me just let you know it might be at a loss. Believe me, you need a merchant to do this one. Right, so that's just it. I'll try to keep it as short as I can. I'm sorry this video took long, but that's the much you can take from this. All right, that is how to use your moogold gift card and to redeem it for the best price and to make profit on the arbitrage using moogold.com. It's a pleasure to have you guys here. Please do well to leave a like and subscribe and be part of the circle here. It's not just OMMICANGS, there's something called OMC. There's a circle called OMC. So if you want more information, you can check the description of this video for more information. And thank you.